What's up, my people? What's going on? It's your boy, your brother, the biggest homie. It's no other. Oh man, today I started the restoration on my Mazda Tribute, and I got as far as getting a bumper taken off. So I'm gonna get this thing repaired. Don't look too bad, so it's kind of smushed in a little bit. So I got the bumper taken off, and we're gonna get this thing repaired instead of replacing it. Overall, looks pretty good. So I got the bumper taken off. We're gonna get this thing repaired. I already got the headlight and everything for that, so we'll get a new headlight put in, get the new bumper repaired, and we should be good to go here. Good day, my people. This is day 2. I'm restoring the Mazda Tribute, and last week we went behind the scenes on getting the bumper taken off and everything. This is the area that was smushed in, so we got that thing all primered up and looking good. So got nice weather today, be able to get it, sand and everything. So yeah, it's coming along beautifully. Got it all primed up. Best believe we're gonna get it done. Good. Yeah, make no mistake about it, people. Again, you're doing tremendous progress with the Mazda Tribute. Got the new headlight put in, got it already installed and everything. Got the fender straightened out, got the bumpers on its way. We finishing up that. Gotta do a little priming to this area here. Finish getting the car all sanded up, and she will be ready. Should make somebody a great vehicle. It's Mazda Tribute. So progress is coming along beautifully. Make sure y'all keep it locked. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube. Just another feature there.
Let's operate. In fact, often still under attack. My enemies, they can never claim victory. My people often judge. Do not let them see you not winning. Go hard, claim victory, claim victory. My people often judge. Do not let them see you not winning. Go hard, claim victory. Just another victory lap. Let's operate. In fact, I'm often still under attack.